Welcome back to our channel Study Adda and a very good morning to all of you. And once again, I have brought another set of top 20 current affairs for you today. And it's 12th June today. And let's start with the very first question of the day, and it's day of the day. So, as we know, it's 12th June 2020, and today is celebrated as World Day Against Child Labor, which was started in way back in 2002, which aims to bring attention and joint efforts to fight against child labor. The theme for this year is Protect Children Now Against COVID-19 Disease. Next, Government of India has increased customs duty on bamboo from 10% to how much? So the right answer for this question is option C, 25%. This increase will help agarbatti manufacturers. Next question. GRSE has delivered ICGS Tanatlata Barua to Indian Coast Guard recently. So you have to say, where is this GRSE located? And the right answer is option C, West Bengal. GRSE, which stands for Garden Rich Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, is located in West Bengal, and before it had also delivered ships like ICGS Priyadarshini, ICGS Annie Besant, as well as ICGS Amrit Kaur. Next, Trey Sanjita Chanu is related to which sports? And the right answer is weightlifting. International Weightlifting Federation (IWF) has recently lifted the ban from this money pool rule. Olympics Committee is also planning to remove weightlifting from the Olympics due to corruption issue. Next question. Who has partnered with National Skill Development Corporation (NSDC) for providing training? And the right answer is option A, TCS Ion has partnered with NSDC for providing vocational training. The partnership has been done to provide online vocational training to the students across the nation. Next question. Who chaired a new committee which was constituted for the welfare of the freedom fighters? And the right answer is option C, G. Kishan Reddy. Besides Reddy, former Congress MLA from Gujarat, Dinatar Bhai Desai, who also took part within the 1942 Quit India movement, is also part of this panel. Next question, and the interesting one. Which university topped Quattrelli Simons QS World University Ranking 2021? And the right answer is option B, Massachusetts Institute for Technology (MIT). From India, IIT Bombay is highest ranked institute in this chart at 172nd position, slipping down by 20 positions from last year ranking. Also, OP Jindal Global University of Sonipat in Haryana has been ranked India's #1 private university by QS ranking. Next, which institute topped the NIRF ranking released by HRD Ministry? You must know the current HRD minister is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishant from Uttarakhand's Haridwar seat. And now the answer for this question is option B, IIT Madras has topped the NIRF ranking released by HRD Ministry. And also IISc, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, is at second position. NIRF stands for National Institutional Ranking Framework. Next question. Bharatmala Pariyojana scheme comes under which ministry? And this comes under option D, Road and Transport Ministry, which is headed by Union Cabinet Minister Nitin Gadkari, who is Member of Parliament from Maharashtra's Nagpur seat. This Bharatmala Pariyojana scheme was launched for road construction in India, which connects far-flung areas and rural areas as well. Next, which state to construct 1000 water recharge boards? And the right answer is option D, Haryana. Mera Pani Mera Virasat Yojana is also part of the initiative of Haryana. Next question. The Asiatic lion population has been increased by 29% from 523 in 2015 to how much in 2020? And the right answer is option A, 674. These Asiatic lions are mostly found in Gir National Park in Saurashtra, Gujarat. Next question. Operation Desert Chase was conducted by which state police? And the right answer is option C, Rajasthan. Rajasthan police arrested 2 civil defense employees in Jaipur under this operation as they were passing sensitive information to Pakistan's spy agency ISI, Inter-Service Intelligence. And also you must know that Operation Tupat is a military intelligence run by ISI of Pakistan to make Jammu and Kashmir as a part of their country. Next question. Which country has become the third largest exporter of mobile phones? And the right answer is option D, India, which has become the largest exporter of mobile phones. And you must also know that in the top 2 positions are China and second is Vietnam among the largest exporter of mobile phones in the world. For the first time, India has exported more number of mobile phones compared to import in this financial year 2019-20. Next, who has announced June 19 as permanent holiday in United States to support racial diversity? And the right answer is option B, Twitter has announced such holiday. June 19 is also called Juneteenth, commemorates the US abolition of slavery by President Abraham Lincoln. Next, which country has started supplying its first approved anti-coronavirus drug, Avifavir, to hospitals? And the right answer is option C, Russia. Recently, Singapore has also approved Remdesivir drug to treat COVID-19 patients. Next question. Which state government has approved ordinance penalizing cow slaughter? And the right answer is, as you know, it's option B, Uttar Pradesh government of Yogi Adityanath has approved ordinance penalizing cow slaughter. This ordinance has also approved jail of 10 years and fine of up to rupees 5 lakh for the culprits. Next question. Who has become or appointed as US first black military chief? And the right answer is option A, General Charles Brown Jr. has been appointed as first black US military chief. He is a fighter pilot with 2900 flying hours experience. Next question. Which company has started rolling out noise cancellation feature on web? They are working on it, and soon such features you will be able to see in one of these apps. And the right answer is option B, Rural Meet. Now let's know what it is all about. This feature of Rural Meet can filter out background noises such as dog barking, pen clicking, and many more noises. Next question. Which state or union territory has announced 2 shifts for government staff? And the right answer is option B, West Bengal. and for this there will be no deduction in salary for such two shift. And the last question of the day, which state government has changed names of 1018 places? And the right answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Among these, Coimbatore will be now called as Coimbatore, Vellore as Vellore, and Madurai as Mathurai, among the others name change. So that's all from today. Thank you so much.